Today we're taking a look at this trail cam. So we're going to go ahead and open this up, show you guys exactly what you get in the kit. You get a 300 MB trial plan and manual, brackets for mounting, solar panel with plenty of cable length to put it away from the actual trail cam if you want, mounting brackets, charging cable to charge it up before you use the solar panel, and all the tools and accessories needed. So this is what it looks like. Make sure you remove all the plastic off of the lens and off of the sensor. So this is what it looks like on the back. Mount your tripod on here. Pop this open. You got your on and off button right here. You put your memory card in here, reset, charge it in here, and the SIM goes in here. Overall, very nice.